In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a loan in QuickBooks Online. When you receive money from a lender, it's not income, you're going to pay it back. So we want to record it as a liability. We'll start by getting the deposit of the loan into your books, then make sure it's categorized correctly so your reports stay accurate. If your bank is linked to QuickBooks, the loan deposit will usually appear in your bank feed automatically. Look for the transaction that matches the amount you received from the lender. If your bank isn't connected, that's okay. You'll just manually record the deposit so the money shows up in your bank account within QuickBooks. The key idea is the same either way. The transaction needs to hit the correct loan account, not an income category. Let's walk through a simple example. Imagine you see a transaction for $868 showing as uncategorized income. That's common when QuickBooks doesn't know what to do with a new deposit. Click the transaction to categorize it. Since this is a loan, we need a proper category for it. Choose Year, Add New to create a new account. For the account type, select either Long-Term Liability or Other Current Liabilities. Here's how to decide. If you expect to pay the loan off within the next 12 months, use Other Current Liabilities. If it will take longer than a year, choose Long-Term Liability. Next, pick the detail type that best matches the nature of your loan. Choose the option that aligns with how you plan to repay it. Then give the account a clear name so you can recognize it later. Something like a simple loan label tied to the lender or purpose works great. Now that you've added the new category, select it for that loan deposit. This tells QuickBooks the money increased your bank account and also created a liability you'll pay down over time. Once it's categorized, head over to your chart of accounts. You'll see the new liability account listed there. This is the home base for your loan balance. Click View Register on that account. You'll see the loan deposit in a check register format, just like a running ledger. As you make repayments and record them, you'll be able to mark them here too, which keeps your principal balance accurate over time. A quick tip: interest is typically an expense and principal reduces the liability, so keep an eye on how your payments are recorded for clean financial reports. And that's all there is to it. Record the deposit, categorize it to a loan liability, and review it in the register.